Hey everyone, Chris with Diesel Power Products, and on this episode of Boost It, we have from PPE a high flow up pipe and manifold kit here. Awesome kit here. It's gonna fit 01 to 24 Duramax, pretty much every Duramax. This is gonna flow 53% more, which is going to bring down your back pressure and EGTs up to 20%. Definitely going to also help out with some fuel mileage, and especially if you've got like a big tune. Up pipes are gonna be made out of stainless and have bellows. A lot of the time, if you've got an exhaust leak, these bellows is where it'll break. So if you're hearing some whistling in your truck or something, definitely check those, especially on the EGR bellow, this up pipe portion. It comes with everything you're gonna need to install, all your gaskets, some new bolts. It also comes pre-tapped for some EGT probes if you wanna do that. So really nice kit here from PPE. If you guys have any questions on this, feel free to give us a call. We have sales techs on the phone from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday through Friday. You can also reach us on our site via chats or send us an email. We're here to give you the best tech support in the industry. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.